Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, first year. Today we will read the poem The Hollow Man, poem number 10, written by T.S. Eliot. First of all, we will read about the poet, then its theme, and then the translation of the poem and explanation of its stanzas. T.S. Eliot means Thomas Ternus Eliot, 1888 to 1965, was a poet and critic. He settled in Britain. He is well known for his great poems such as The Waste Land and The Four Quartets. He also wrote plays and contributed many critical essays. Theme of the poem. The theme of the poem is that human beings have become soulless. They try to depend upon each other, but they cannot make a society. All their efforts are like the running of rats or the rustling of grass. We do have shapes, but inside there is nothing. We only seem to be walking souls, but actually we are not even that. We are worthless men, either puppets or dolls. We try to rest upon each other, and our minds are filled with no wisdom. We are not wise men. We live in dreams. We try to speak to each other but convey nothing, or our speech is no more than that of voices made by the grass or the rats. We seem to have no form and no color. We seem to have strength, but it is only the appearance of strength. Otherwise, we are weak and without motions. Those who have already departed from this life do not know if we are frustrated or not. We seem to be only puppets made of straw. Now we will read the text of the poem The Hollow Man. We are the hollow men. हम खोखले आदमी हैं. We are the stuffed men. हम भूस भरे आदमी हैं. Leaning together, एक दूसरे के सहारे इकट्ठे खड़े हैं. Head piece filled with straw, alas. हमारे दिमाग भूसे से भरे हुए हैं, अफसोस. Explanation of this stanza. A few modern men talk together. They say that they are idle and inactive. They lack spirit and strength. They are hollow men. They are stuffed with emptiness. They depend upon each other for support. Even their brains are empty. Their minds are stuffed with the worthless straws and not with wisdom. They lament this situation. Our dried voices, हमारी खोखली जोशो खरोश से आ रही आवाज़ें. वैन वी विस्पर, जबकि हम सरगोशियाँ करते हैं. टुगेदर, इकट्ठे. जब हम इकट्ठे सरगोशियाँ करते हैं तो हमारी आवाज़ें जो हैं खोखली होती हैं और जोशो खरोश से आ रही होती हैं. आर क्वाइट एंड मीनिंगलेस, और ये जज्बात व एहसासात से आ रही और बेमायनी लगती हैं. एज विंड इन ड्राई ग्रास, जैसे कि खुश्क घास पर हवा चलती है. और रैट्स फीट ओवर ब्रोकन ग्लास, या फिर किसी टूटे हुए शीशे पर चूहों के पाँव पड़े. इन आर ड्राई सेलर, हमारे खाली तहखानों में. Explanation of the stanza. The hollow men cannot speak except in hollow voices. They cannot talk bluntly. They can whisper only. Their whispers are even meaningless and useless. Their whispers are here like the sounds produced by wind blowing through dry grass. Or their whispers are heard like the sounds produced by rats creeping over a broken glass in the cellar. शेप विदाउट फॉर्म, शेड विदाउट कलर। हमारी शक्लें बेढंगी, हमारे रंग बेरंग, यानी हमारे अंदर हुस्न तवाज़ुन नहीं है। पैरालाइज्ड फोर्स, जेस्चर्स विदाउट मोशन। हमारी ताकत मफलूज है, हमारे इशारे बेहरकत हैं। एक्सप्लेनेशन: The hollow men have shape without a form. They are deformed spiritually and physically. Their doings are without zeal. They have no force. They are paralyzed. They pose to do something, but their gestures are useless. They do not have the real spirit and zeal. Those who have crossed with direct eyes to death's other kingdom. Those who have crossed, जो इस जहाँ से जा चुके हैं, विद डायरेक्ट आइज़, जो मौत की आंखों में आंखें डाल चुके हैं, टू डेथ्स अदर किंगडम्स, और वो वादी क़ज़ा में कदम रख चुके हैं। रिमेंबर अस, हमें याद करते हैं। इफ़ एट ऑल नॉट एज लॉस्ट, अगर कभी हम याद करें भी तो हम जो है नहीं समझते। वायलेंट सोल्स बट ओनली एज द हॉलो मैन द स्टफ्ड मैन, हमें नहीं समझते, वो ये समझते हैं इंतहाई शिद्दत पसंद मर्द मैदान, बल्कि वो हमें सिर्फ खोखले आदमी समझते हैं, भूस से भरे हुए आदमी समझते हैं। एक्सप्लेनेशन: द पीपल हु हैड ऑलरेडी डाइड वर एक्टिव एंड एनर्जेटिक. They were strong and violent men. They were men with purpose. They had direct aims. They had gone to the other world after their death. They were quite different from hollow men. The hollow men say that the violent people of the past do not remember them as men of action. They consider them as a hollow and stuffed men. That was the poem and the explanation of the stanzas. Students, now we will read about its difficult words and meanings. Hollow, खोखले, stuff, भूस, मवाद, हेडपीस, दिमाग, विस्पर, सरगोशी करना, सेलर, तहखाना, वायलेंट, शिद्दत पसंद, बहादुर, पैरालाइज्ड, मफलूज, जेस्चर, हरकत, इशारे. Students, you have to prepare these questions also. Write a critical note on the poems. Give a summary of the poem. Why does the poet call modern men as hollow men? What does the poet say in the last stanza of the poem?